It's a 2013 Hyundai Santa Fe. Spunky and stylish, this SUV was built to impress. Whether it's a trip to the beach, the commute to work, or picking up the kids, this sporty crossover is ready for anything. The multifunction steering wheel will help you keep in control of things, and you can always listen to your music with the auxiliary audio inputs. Safety is just as important as looks. It has four-wheel anti-lock brakes, stability and traction control, and multiple airbags.
Onboard hands-free communication keeps your hands on the wheel without compromise. Say goodbye to the frost and never leave your car with the heated mirrors. A multifunction steering wheel makes multitasking a touch easier.
Start the ignition and enjoy the ride. Come check out this adaptable Hyundai Santa Fe today.
At Inver Grove Hyundai, experience the Inver Grove Hyundai difference. We're conveniently located at 1290 East 50th Street in Inver Grove Heights, Minnesota.